Hello friends, today I would like to share a few concepts on liquids, one of the states of matter. See, the first property is the intermolecular space. So the particles are less closely packed. Okay, that means little bit loosely packed. So the intermolecular space is larger when compared to solids. When you come to intermolecular force, that is force of attraction, they have weaker force of attraction when compared to solids, but stronger when compared to gases. So when you come to shape and volume, liquids have definite volume but indefinite shape. See, liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. Liquids take the shape of the container it is in. For example, pour equal quantities, say 200 ml of water, into containers of different shapes. In each case, water will take the shape of the container. In every case, the volume of water will remain the same, that is 200 ml. The shape of the liquid changes because as the molecules can slip over one another and settle down to assume the shapes of containers into which it is poured. However, the volume does not change as the molecules cannot come closer to or move away from each other. Next property is nothing but called as compressibility. What is compressibility? Decrease in the volume of the matter by applying pressure is nothing but called compressibility. A liquid can be compressed only to a small extent. The intermolecular space in liquids is not very large, so the molecules can be pushed closer only to a limited extent. When you come to the rigidity property, they are not rigid but they show fluidity. What is fluidity? There is free to flow. They are free to flow. A liquid can flow. The intermolecular force being weak, the molecules can slip over one another. And density. Liquids have low density but higher than gases. When you come to diffusion, they have high rate of diffusion but lower than gases. And when you come to expansion and contraction, a liquid expands or contracts more than a solid. When a liquid is heated, the molecules move more vigorously and go farther from each other, and the liquid expands. So when the liquid is cooled, the molecules become less energetic and move less vigorously. They come closer. So also the intermolecular force of attraction brings them still closer. So in other words, the liquid contracts. And all liquids do not mix with each other. Water mixes with milk, honey and alcohol, but not with oil, is it not? So liquids which mix with each other are called as miscible liquids, and those which do not mix are called as immiscible liquids. And liquids has only one free surface. So these are the properties of liquids.